Little Blue Truck's Springtime, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurry. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo sheep, beep beep, what's new? A little white lamb, and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo cow, just munching corn. Yoo-hoo, little calf, just born. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo piglets, 1 to 10. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crickety crack, everybody shout, yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. The